Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentley. Here are today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi leads the nation in a mega cleanliness drive ahead of Gandhi Jayanti. Chief Ministerial level meeting held at Khanapara, Guwahati to discuss border dispute. 67 Battalion of the CRPF celebrates its 44th Raising Day today. And St. Xavier's College, Oid celebrates College Day 2023. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today led the nation in Swachhta Hi Seva Abhiyan by joining a mega cleanliness drive. Modi joined the campaign with fitness influencer Ankit Bayanpuria and cleaned garbage and waste. Modi also interacted with Ankit Bayanpuria where he stressed on the need for fitness. In a social media post, the Prime Minister shared a video of his interaction with him during cleanliness activities. As part of the Ek Tarikh Ek Ghanta Ek Saath initiative for cleanliness, people across the country today participated in a mega cleanliness drive. The Chief Ministerial level meeting held on Saturday at Khanapara, Guwahati to discuss the border dispute has decided to wind up the judicial inquiry commissions into the Mukra incident and instead wants the CBI to register a case in a neutral state. Briefing reporters after the meeting, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma announced the decision to wind up the commissions. Another decision was to withdraw the police personnel from the disputed border areas and entrust the border guarding duty to the CRPF. The meeting has also decided to set up border pillars at Ahim area, while the demarcation of other 5 areas in the first phase will be carried out by December 31st.
We are happy to inform the people of both Assam and Meghalaya that after a very long drawn exercise, we are now on the verge of also finalizing the actual pillars and the post and the actual boundary lines in the first 6 areas of differences which we have signed the MOU in the presence of Honorable Home Minister, Government of India.
We are happy to inform you that finally Survey of India has completed their survey in Hahim. Now border pillar will be erected and both the state government has accepted the position. Today Survey of India officials were there. We have requested other 5 areas like Dijang, Tarabari, Ratachera. We asked them to quickly complete the survey before 31st December.
The 67 Battalion of the Central Reserve Police Force celebrated its 44th Raising Day today. On the occasion, a fair was organized in the headquarters premises at Polo Grounds, Shillong, and was inaugurated by IG CRPF Anurag Agarwal. Sharing information about the establishment of 67 Battalion, Battalion Commandant Alok Bhattacharjee said that 67 Battalion was established in Rajasthan in 1980. Since then until now, this battalion has been associated with service in different parts of the country.
This is a very happy occasion for us. This unit was raised in the year 1980 in Rajasthan. And over the past 44 years, we've been serving various parts of the country. The battalion is one of the oldest in CRPF, and we've served in very challenging situations across territories. In course of 44 years, we have not only raised our performance, we have served the country. We feel extremely proud that we've been at the service of the nation.
St. Xavier's College, Oid, Southwest Khasi Hills District on Saturday celebrated College Day 2023. Vincent H. Pala, Member of Parliament, Shillong Constituency, graced the occasion as chief guest, while Deborah Marak, former Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, was the guest of honour. In his speech, Chief guest Pala lauded the management for the service of providing knowledge to students in the area and also urged upon the students to work hard and do well in their studies.
College New ke jing kai ke banikai ke jing in ke jong ni hakono kom ni ban in New ke jing kai nan ta ka culture ke riti ke dostur ke jong ni tilong ki badon bok kum ki kini ki pa tilong ki badon bok kum ki kena bopule ha ka ni ka college namar bale ba ong pinta namar ba ki ba ai pi ke jing kai ki ba penyai tham tan ni design seria ke dei to pet ha hajan laman institutions ki college ba penyai ki design seria barabor ki long ki college ke ba bit.
As part of World Literacy Day with the 2023 theme Promoting Literacy for a World in Transition, Building the Foundation for Sustainable and Peaceful Societies, the Office of the Block Mission Coordinator SEMAM Tadlaskain West Jainte Hills observed on Saturday an enrollment drive program at Lion Mission Compound, Darbar Hall. The function was attended by APCAM District School Education Officer as the chief guest in the presence of Dr. D.G. Lingdaw, Principal, Thomas Jones Synod College as the guest of honour. Addressing the function, APCAM emphasized the significance of education in today's world and urged the students not to give up on their education halfway. Under the Swachhta Hi Seva campaign, Shillong Cantonment Board conducted cleanliness drives at various places in cantonment area like schools, hospitals, markets, public parks and residential areas. During the campaign, all sections of the civil society participated and BJP MLA Sanbor Shulai was also present. In Nongpo, as part of Swachhta Hi Seva campaign, State Bank of India Nongpo branch in collaboration with other banks in Ribhoi organized a cleaning drive to create mass awareness on the importance of maintaining cleanliness.
This week we have created awareness to the people how to have a civic sense, that we to strengthen the civic sense of the people, to enlighten the people that they should always keep their locality, their drains, their lane, by-lanes, footpath clean. So we have requested also the owner of the godown, the owner of the shop owners, and that they should maintain cleanliness, and henceforth they should keep dustbin where the customers they will throw straight to the dustbin.
And now for a quick look at the weather. The maximum temperature was recorded at 24.7 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 18 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 93%, while in the evening it was 78%. The forecast shows us moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. And now for a quick recap of today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi leads the nation in a mega cleanliness drive ahead of Gandhi Jayanti. Chief Ministerial level meeting held at Khanapara, Guwahati to discuss border dispute. 67 Battalion of the CRPF celebrates its 44th Raising Day today. And St. Xavier's College Umoid celebrates College Day 2023. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching.